Alright, I'm out here at front of Wilson's Funeral Home out here on East 80. Had a guy yesterday in a white pickup truck run off the road. You can see where he ran off right here off the highway. Ran off the road, started in his yard, hit his sign, ran into his sign here in front of Wilson's, smashed it up, took out a bush, kept going. You can see, look here, smashed the light, marble. You see the lines cutting the blacktop right here. Just kept right on going, right across the parking lot. You can see his line right here. And his tire was off a rim and he was running on a rim. Just kept right on going. Right on going. Right here you can start to see some black marks in the pavement. Right here where his tire was. But he just keeps right on going. Still scraping right here. Big scrape right here. Right off the edge into my yard. This is my yard. Okay. I'm a good 100 yards from the sign right now. This guy keeps going in my yard now. Right down the ditch. Bottom belt right here. Keeps going right down my ditch. Over into my front yard on the other side of the ditch. And comes to a stop right before my driveway. And then I guess he throws it reverse and tries to back out. Got marks coming backwards. So I came out here yesterday with a truck in my front yard, a good 150 yards from where the accident started. Now, somebody needs to explain to me how this happens. And the guy says it was all due to a dog, a young German Pinscher pup, jumping around in his lap in the truck. No, that's not what happened. This guy fell asleep or something. But now I've got these marks in my yard thanks to somebody that can't drive. And he's supposed to be a truck driver, a professional driver. Anyway, that's my rant. Thank you.